Put the heading practice paper 3 everyone.
Ma'am, over.
Okay. Note down question number 1. Question number 1.
Practice paper 3.
Yes, beta. Represent the given information using vertical pictograph and telemark. I'll write the question here. Represent the given information using vertical pictograph. Using vertical pictograph and telemark. All have written till here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, please write. Ma'am, please write.
Okay.
Ma'am, please write.
You will note down here.
Ma'am, बस pictograph की vertical pictograph.
Beta, vertical pictograph already mentioned here, na? Using vertical pictograph. I'll write here.
एक बार question repeat
What happened?
मैम एक बार question repeat कर दीजिए.
Represent the given information using vertical pictograph and telemark. Got it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you note down here. Everyone will note down. Games like football, and then you write here number of students. Number of students 7. In front of football you will write 7. Then below football you will write cricket. And the number of people you will write here 12. And then you will write there badminton. And the number of people is 10. Badminton and the number of people is 10. Then volleyball.
Board is not full. Ma'am, board is not clear.
Yeah, I'll show you.
थोड़ा और नीचे का दिखा दीजिए. Yes, ma'am. Not clear.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Volleyball, that is the number of people is 9. And the last one is tennis. And the number of students is 11. This is your question, everyone. Represent the given information using vertical pictograph and telemark. And games like this, football, number of students is 7. And then cricket is number of people 12. Then badminton 10 and volleyball 9 and tennis 11. Got it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, we need to show this information using telemark also and vertical pictograph also. All right. Start drawing vertical pictograph first. Satyam don't know how to draw vertical pictograph.
Ma'am, please sir, I know. Please.
Yeah. Start drawing, Satyam.
Ma'am, first क्वेश्चन है.
Yes, beta, this is the first question.
मैम वर्टिकल पिक्टोग्राफ.
Yes, beta, vertical pictograph. We have discussed in the class, right?
यस मैम.
Yeah. First you draw vertical pictograph and then you draw telemark. पहले आप लोग अपने आप कर लो and then I will tell you how to do. That time you will check whether you have done correct or not. All have noted down the question.
मैम इसका नो मैम.
What happened?
मैम कॉपी में ड्रॉ करना है.
Yes, beta. Where else you will draw, Kavya? Vaishnavi, tell me that for drawing pictograph, what is the first step we need to do here?
मैम प्लीज सर. प्लीज सर.
What?
Square and we make 6 lines into the square, and then we first trace downside of one line, game like football 7, then we make in the square seven balls, square small square.
So beta, for that first of all you need to mention a scale, right? That is my one smiley you are taking or one square you are taking, whatever is the figure you are taking, you need to mention there na. 1 equal to 2 footballs. My one smiley is equal to 2 cricket bats. Are you getting me?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah. So you need to mention the scale first of all. वैष्णवी, सबसे पहले क्या करना है?
When we make a scale.
Yes, you make a scale. I mean, not make a scale, mention the scale.
Okay ma'am.
So students, shall I rub the question now?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. मैम वो नीचे वाला मत करिएगा.
Jeshu has not written the question or what?
मैम इसे बार ग्राफ कॉपी पे करना है.
Pictograph is to be done in bar graph, Ishika.
नो मैम.
So, see, first of all we will mention scale. So, I am taking here smiley. So, I am taking here smiley. So, my one smiley I am mentioning for what? I'll take it for 2. Okay. So, this stands for 2. And because in the given question we have odd numbers also. We have 7, 9, 11. For those we can also take here half smiley. Okay. Half equal to 1. This is known as the scale which we have to use in the pictograph. What we will do? Our one smiley will stand for 2 and our half smiley will stand for 1. Now we will make the column like this. After making the column, we will mention here the games. Okay. What is my first game here? Football. So I'll write here football. Are you all getting me or not?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Yes. Now, how many people are liking football?
Ma'am 12. Ma'am 7.
7, yes.
Ma'am 7.
Yes. 7 students are liking football. So my one smiley stand for 2. So I can make here 3 smileys for 6, right? And then half smiley for 7. Are you getting me or not?
Yes ma'am.
Satyam, are you understanding, beta?
ma'am.
Simply saying no. देखो, we are discussing vertical pictograph. What are we discussing, Satyam?
Vertical pictograph.
Yes, beta. Pictograph means representing any informations using picture. You can use the picture of triangle, you can use a square, you can use a smiley, any picture you can use to show the pictograph. In the question it is written different games liked by different number of students. All right. So you have to show here football is liked by 7 students. So how will you show this 7 student? First of all, you will mention the scale. What is this scale? You know, scale means what? My one figure represent how many number of people. एक स्माइली कितने लोगों को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है, ठीक है? तो एक कंप्लीट स्माइली, फुल स्माइली इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग 2 पीपल. ओके, तो अगर एक कंप्लीट स्माइली 2 लोगों को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है तो एक लोग को रिप्रेजेंट हाफ स्माइली से कर सकते हैं. तो उसी लिए मैंने फुटबॉल को कैसे शो किया? मैंने 2 + 2 4 + 2 6 एंड हाफ इज इक्वल टू 7. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी फुटबॉल के बाद व्हाट इज द सेकंड गेम बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. Cricket.
Yes. So what you can do? You can simply make a line like this. Okay. And downside you can mention here cricket. Now how many people are liking cricket, Satyam?
12.
12. So for 12, how many smileys we can show?
Ma'am, 6 smileys.
Very good. Because one smiley means 2 students. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 smileys will show 12 students are liking the particular game of cricket. Now do you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
आपने classes नहीं attend किया है ना? That is why you are facing problem. Okay. Now Anvi, you tell me what about badminton? How do we show that?
Ma'am, badminton has 10 students.
Yeah. Okay. So
तो मैम 10 है तो उसका हाफ 5 होता है, तो हम लोग 5 बनाएंगे.
अरे अच्छा, हाँ, करेक्ट. हम कंफ्यूज हो गए कि तुम किस में 5 बोल रही हो. ओके, सो वी विल मेक 1 स्माइली फॉर 2 पीपल, 2 स्माइली फॉर 4 पीपल, देन 6, देन 8 एंड देन 10. सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
या सो दिस इज फॉर बैडमिंटन. तो अभी बैडमिंटन के बाद व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट गेम? इट इज
Ma'am, volleyball. Volleyball.
या एंड वॉलीबॉल इज लाइक्ड बाय हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स?
Ma'am, 11. Ma'am, 9.
9. यस. तो 9 के लिए हमको हाफ स्माइली दिखाना पड़ेगा कि नहीं?
मैम, दिखाना पड़ेगा.
है ना? सो टेल मी देवव्रत, हाउ मेनी फुल स्माइलीज एंड हाउ मेनी हाफ स्माइलीज?
Ma'am, 4 full smileys and 1 half smiley.
या 4 फुल, जिसका मतलब हो जाएगा 8 स्टूडेंट्स एंड देन हाफ विल बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग एज 1. और व्हाट इज द लास्ट वन आफ्टर वॉलीबॉल? टेनिस. एंड इट इज लाइक्ड बाय 11 पीपल. तो 11 हम लोग कैसे दिखाएंगे? बताइए सुहाना.
Ma'am, 5 full smileys, 5 full half smiley. 1 half smiley.
Okay. So I hope how to represent vertical pictograph is clear to everyone, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now after this vertical pictograph, we have to draw the telemark also. So telemark तो सबको याद है कि वो भी भूल गए हैं?
मैम, याद है. मैम, याद है.
Yes.
मैम, मेरा कंप्लीट.
Okay. So this is the vertical pictograph, and now you will turn the page, open a next page, and if there itself you have some space, so there only you can do telemark now. All of you draw the telemark and show me. Let me see.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Beta, you might be having internet issues. Other can hear me very clearly. Those who will complete making that, what is that, telemark, they will raise their hands. After drawing the telemark, students will raise their hands.
मैम
Yes?
मैम आई कंप्लीट मैम मैंने पेन से बताया मैम मैंने कॉपी के सबसे पीछे यहाँ पर बताया।
Okay, no problem.
मैम उसको पूरा कंप्लीट करके दिखाना है।
Yes, beta.
मैम आई ओवर
Okay. And tell me one thing. Do you all know how to attach your works in the classroom?
यस मैम। व्हाट मैम? यस मैम। नो मैम। नो मैम।
Okay, listen here, listen everyone. I will tell you how to attach your works in the classroom. Okay. Because now your copies will not be asked in the school. So how will I check whether you have done the question or not? So what you have to do basically, I'll tell you. I'll present the screen and tell you. Okay, so students, you can see this is the 4th classroom. Okay, 4th class for maths. Here what you will do is your all classworks are here. All the classworks are here, right? So you will just take the classwork of today. जैसे मैं यहाँ पे wait. Suppose I will post something here new. आप उसी पॉइंट को ओपन करोगे. You will just open that this one. Suppose this is 29/01/2022 revision number 16. So you will tap this, and after tapping this, you can see here name is coming Akanksha Verma 4 Jasmine. Can you see this name, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So like this,
Yes, ma'am.
like this, your name will also come.
Yes.
Your name will also come, and here it is written no attachments. In your place it will be written as add attachment. वहाँ पे लिखा रहेगा attachment को add करो. तो you just tap on that add attachments, और वहाँ पे it will be asking for the options like gallery, camera, ऐसे करके option होगा. तो you just tap on the camera, अपने वर्क का फोटो क्लिक करेंगे और उसको वहीं पे अटैच कर देंगे. समझ में आया मैंने क्या बोला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So all of you try to attach your works in the classroom from today. Whatever things we are discussing, whatever.
मैम मुझे नहीं समझ आया।
Beta, you just try it. If still you will face the problem, I will tell you once again. So today we are.
मैम तो हम लोगों को मैम कौन सा है?
Beta, we are doing today, like today we are discussing this vertical pictograph and telemark. So the work I will send you today, there you will attach. Like आज जो मैं आज के डेट पे वर्क शेयर करूँगी, there you have to attach.
ओके मैम।
Yeah.
मैम जब हम लोग क्लास में किए उसे।
Yes, beta, yes.
मैम आप भेजेंगे उसमें अटैच करना है।
Yes, beta, yes. Today I will send, there you have to attach. Okay?
और मैम उसमें क्या करना है?
क्या बेटा?
मैम आपने जो yesterday की
The link and the app which I had shared yesterday, nothing to do with that now. I will tell you what we have to do with that, okay?
मैम टेलीमार्क हो गया।
देवव्रत को आगे बढ़ना है। Okay, so we'll see this telemark now. Yeah. So we have here the first game, that is football, and it is played by 7 students. So we can simply write here football, and we need to show it with the telemark, na? So how do we show the telemark? We draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, and what about our fifth line? It will be from here 5. Okay, then 6 and 7. After football we have cricket. So cricket, how many people like to play cricket? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wait. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 1 and half, that is, no, 12 only, na? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay. What we do every time is we just forget to count this one. Okay, this cross line. So we will not forget this. We will count it as the fifth line. Then we will begin counting 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10, then 11 and then 12. After cricket, next one we have is badminton. And how many people are playing badminton? 10 people. How we will show this 10? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how we will show for badminton. And one more thing, this slanting line which we are making, if by mistake also you are drawing like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, it will be considered as wrong, keep in mind. Okay, so 5 and 5, that is 10. Then we have volleyball, which is played by 9 people. How we will show that 9? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's all. Like this we need to show the telemark question. So I hope this, what is this, vertical pictograph and telemark, both the topics are clear to everyone present in the class? Okay. So we'll end up now. Thank you all.